How functional is your body? Can you perform everyday activities with ease? Well, I want you to, and that's why I created this new beginner challenge for the month of May. This month, we're focusing on functional fitness. Functional exercises help support your daily life. These are the exercises that actually matter. The month of May is a perfect time to activate dormant muscles if you've been sedentary so that you're able to participate in summer activities. My workouts in this challenge are themed to help you with exactly that. We have a workout that focuses on functional steps. So we're not just walking for the sake of walking, we're stepping in different planes of motion. This will help prepare you for real life. We don't just walk forward, we go from side to side, sometimes backward, sometimes we have to cross our legs. This will prepare you for the real world. We also have a functional core routine. Yes, we're focusing on our core muscles, but we're destabilizing it a little bit, again, for the real world. If you need to carry an object, let's say you're traveling this summer holding a suitcase, or you're shopping at a market and you need to carry something for a long period of time, a strong core will also help you with walking and standing stamina, back pain, and all those little aches that tend to hinder your experience in the summer. Of course, there is a strength routine to help you with your pushing, pulling, carrying, sitting, and standing ability. A gentle mobility routine to help counter sitting for long periods of time. And my favorite, a functional fun activities routine. This one mimics various sports and summer activities that you might want to do during the summer, obviously modified in a beginner way. It's super simple to join. Go to justinagustin.com, tap the link in my profile bio. The moment you choose a subscription plan, you'll have access to the monthly challenge, but also to all the videos in my library. Easy, delicious cooking videos and recipes, and my nutrition guide, and unlimited access to the whole website, but also the Justin Agustin fitness app that's available on Apple, Google, Android, Roku, Fire TV, and every store that supports it. Choose any plan that you're comfortable with. You can go month to month, but I highly suggest you get the yearly plan so that you can get all these challenges month after month and you continue to progress over the year. I'm so honored that you're on this journey with me. Keep going, you're doing absolutely amazing. You got this, always.